the sun should hide away, then I will find its hiding place. And if the mockingbirds won't sing, then I will sing you anything. If you lived across the sea, I'd ask the wind to carry me.
To be given life is a gift. To be given a chance to celebrate the gift of life is a blessing. A happy afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Mr. Rogelio 80th birthday and Mrs. Rosie and Rose, the twins' 70th birthday party.
So today is a very special day. Not only we are celebrating Mr. Rogelio and Mrs. Rosie and Rose's birthday, but also God has given us this wonderful opportunity to gather here at Hidalgo's residence to make the three siblings feel special and see how much we love and care for them.
Are you excited to see how much our birthday celebrants has grown in the past years? And how does they look today? Well, your wish is my command. So what are you waiting for? Ladies and gentlemen, the grand entrance of our birthday celebrants. Let us all welcome them with resounding applause. Maestro, happy birthday po. First on the list, we have the family of Rogelio Hidalgo. Mr. Rogelio Hidalgo, all the way from San Diego, California. Please stand as a caller together with his siblings, Mrs. Judith Hidalgo, Sunny Hidalgo, Lesa and family, Jamie and Gloria Hidalgo. We have also his grandchildren, Miss Tina and Anaisa.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Next is we have Mrs. Rosie from Carson, California.
Happy birthday, happy
Together with her
happy birthday to you.
together with her escort, Diosdado La Peña Jr.
Bless you, may the good Lord bless you.
We would like also to acknowledge her family, Sir Moises La Peña, Ma'am Casey La Peña, Soledad Nicolas, Mabini, Maripig Pedrosa, Sir Philip, Sir Diosdado La Peña Jr., and Faradi. And also we have his grandchildren. First to have is T.Y., John, Jalen, Jason, Justin, Felicia, and Dylan. Once again, the family of Mrs. Rosie La Peña.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Of course, para po makompleto ang ating birthday celebrant, we would like to acknowledge also yung kakambal po ng ating birthday celebrant na mag-birthday din po ngayon. No other than Mrs. Rose Hidalgo. A round of applause please.
Happy
Mrs. Rose
birthday
Hidalgo
to
all the way
you.
from Alaska.
Happy birthday to you. maligayang bati sa iyong
With
pagsilang.
her grandchildren, Valentino, Yvonne, Rose, and Danielo. Once again, happy birthday to
Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to present to you the Hidalgo siblings. Okay, para po magkaroon po ng family picture, magkakapatid, at magkaroon po ng remembrance dahil minsan lang po ito mangyari, may we also acknowledge Ma'am Dali and family to take a picture po. And also, Sir Sunny and family. Ma'am Dali and family and Sir Sunny and family. Once again, the Hidalgo sibling. May we acknowledge Ma'am Maribeth Pedrosa.
Okay, to everyone who is present here this afternoon, thank you so much for coming and making the three siblings' birthday a memorable one.
Sir and Mom, your birthday party will not complete without us singing a happy birthday song to you and without you making your birthday wish and blowing your candle. Maestro Music. Join us to sing the happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati sa iyong pagsilang. Maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati.
Once more.
Good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord, may the good Lord, may the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Sir,
birthday.
Mom, you may now blow the candle and make a wish. One, two, three, go! Blow the candle!
Yeah, a round of applause.
Okay! May pasorpresa po ang kanilang anak! Ma'am Rose and Ma'am Rosie, pwede niyo pong hugutin lahat ng pwede niyong mahugot dyan po sa inyong
Okay.
pangalan po.
Surprise!
Wow! Wow!
Sana all.
Sana all!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to wala. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati, wala. Maligayang bati.
Sir Moises!
Maligayang bati. May the good Lord bless you.
Once again, happy
May the
Indian
good
birthday,
Lord
Sir
bless you.
Rogelio, and happy 70th birthday, Ma'am Rose and Daddy Ma'am Rose.
May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Okay po, hihingan po namin ng message ang mga anak po nila Ma'am Rose, Sir Rogelio, and Ma'am Rosie po. Start po natin sa mga, sino pong gustong magbigay po ng message? Who want to give a message to Sir Roger, Ma'am Rosie, and Ma'am Rose po? The grandkids and the siblings po.
Grandkids! Grandkids!
Go!
Grandkids!
Okay, can we have a birthday message coming from the grandchildren of Ma'am Rose Hidalgo, which is Miss Yvonne Rose? Can we hear your birthday message?
Okay, si Sir Rosegel po. Birthday message for your...
Happy birthday, Grandma. We love you.
Thank you for all that you do for us, Mom. You're the matriarch of our family, and you're such a good example of having a big heart. Working hard for your family. So we appreciate you. We love you. Happy birthday.
Hello, party people. I am the representative of the Pedrosa, Nicholas, and La Pena families. We just want to say thank you very much, Mama, for all that you do and all that you provide for us. And we love you very much. And long live all the La Penas Hidalgo. We love you, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama. I hope you have many more to come. Thank you.
Happy birthday, mamas and papa. Again, many more, hopefully. Thank you guys for everything you guys do.
Alright. This is Jason Nicholas from the Nicholas family. Mama, I just wanted to say that we love you from the bottoms of our heart and we appreciate everything that you do for us. And thank you for having us in this world. If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be here.
Happy birthday!
I just give a short message that I'm very, very appreciated that all my kids, grandkids, and their friends to come and join the celebrate of my 70th birthday. So I love you all, guys. I really, really appreciate it. that you guys all come to my birthday, to my 70th birthday. I wish more coming to come. I wish I could go on my 80s or 90s, 100, everybody invited. Okay, so let's start cutting the cake and eat. And to all who come and attend the birthday, thank you very, very much for your effort to come. Thank you. I love you guys all.
We love you, Mama.
Thank you so much, Ma'am. How about Ma'am Rose? Do you have any message to the visitor?
Maybe I cry.
Go.
You cry?
Pangkat ng cake. Pangkat ng cake. Okay, thank you guys for coming to our birthday with my twin sister and my brother. Thank you so much, Moises. I appreciate what you done to us. If not for you, maybe nothing more for this. We love you, Moises, and thank you very much, all the kids and everybody. We love you. Enjoy the party. After this, we're gonna drunk and do the go. Dance. Nobody gonna go home if the food is not finished.
How about Sir Rogelio po? Any message po? Okay, Sir Moises po.
Hello, everyone. Oh my God, dude. Hello, everyone. I know the beers aren't out yet, but at least say hello to me. Thank you. Anyways, to the 3 old people in the front, congratulations on your 70th and 80th birthday. Just to make it straight, it wasn't just me that gave the money. It was all the kids. So, Rose Gale, Trisha, Raniel, all my siblings here, Daisy, Marvick, Sally, my brother, Junior. Yeah, everybody else. Did I miss anyone?
No, you're good.
Oh, Phil and Marvick. He was a little hurt there that I missed him. Anyways, hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the food, right? Now let's drink, be happy, dance. Is there a videoke?
Yes, that's okay, sir.
Okay, anybody, the first person to get 100 on the videoke is 1,000 pesos. Grand prize. So again, videoke, first person to get 100, 1,000 pesos, grand prize.
Sir Rogelio, any message po para po sa ating mga visitors?
Well, ang message ko, thank you sa kay Moses. Dahil without him, this party
Won't be realized.
hindi nangyari.
Won't be
Okay?
realized.
Oh, Ilocano ka naman.
Manuhin mo na.
Pa-
Manong.
Hindi ako marunong magsalita masyado, kaya I brought with me a proxy. Can I ask Miss Sinaida
Yes, sir.
to talk?
Hindi, talagang... Actually, I...
Representative.
Yeah, actually, I was informed by Rosie, Sister Rosie, to speak for her and the birthday of the 3 of them. So Rose, Rosie, and Roger. So I just wrote this morning,
Hidalgo family, relatives of the Hidalgo, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Now permit me to take this opportunity to express my thanks and gratitude to you, Hidalgo family, for your warm accommodation. I enjoy every moment with you. Thank you very much. And at this juncture, let me share to you 3 quotes. Actually, this is one of my original quotes. And I always mention this to my friend, my classmate, Roger. While there is still time, then make the best of your time. That's my own quote. And another quote is count the number of years with good life, not only the life with years. Birthdays are a new start. This is a fresh beginning and a time to pursue new endeavors or new undertakings that you have planned, of course, for your life. Now, of course, with new goals and maybe objectives. Now, move forward. Sister Rose, Sister Rosie, Brother Roger, whom I consider as my real sisters and real brother. You are so special to me. May today and all remaining days of your life be amazing. Count not the number of candles that you have there in your cakes, but the lights that the candles, of course, give to your life. So it's actually the light and make, of course, it shine. A while ago, I heard a song sung by the singer, One Moment in Time, and I will get, of course, one phrase there. You're a winner. Is that correct? For a lifetime, if you seize one moment in time. And this is one moment in time. Today is one great moment, of course, in your life. Sisters Rose and Rosie and Brother Roger. So may God, of course, bless you. Happy, happy birthday. Salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Okay, thank you so much po.
So, thank you for those who gave their birthday messages to them. I know they'd appreciate it all. And now we will now go to the cutting of cakes. Again, happy birthday, music maestro. Go cut up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord, may the good Lord, may the good Lord bless you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay po, waiters, ready na po natin i-serve ang ating cakes. And then guys, let's enjoy this afternoon. Okay, let's party!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
For the siblings, nieces, nephews, family shot in the back. Mom, Auntie Rose, Uncle Roger. Family shot. One time. Let's go. One time in the back.
TikTok All Star.